Hello, this is Brian from GeoPath, and today we'll be talking about how to combine audiences in the Insights Suite. Currently in the GeoPath Insights Suite, you are able to combine audiences within the population category seen here. To start making audience combinations, start with one selection. Here, for example, I'll use persons 18 to 34. After making an initial selection, you'll see the other audiences that are able to be combined with your selection. Let's say I wanted to specify a race for this audience. So far, my selected audience is persons 18 to 34 who are Black or African American. You can see here I have another option that I can further combine. Once you've made selections and no longer see additional options outside of this selection box, you've reached the end of the available options that can be combined. As a helpful tip, you can save an audience for later if it's one that you'll be using often. Please note that not all combinations of audiences in the population category are possible. Once you've made your selections, you can hit apply.